My mom makes an awesome dessert called a buckle. Here's how she makes it. To start, you'll need some applesauce, salt, blackberries, flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, cinnamon, sliced almonds, some sugar, an egg, milk, and oil. You want to start with about a 9-inch baking dish and spray it with cooking oil, and then preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In general, you want to start with the dry ingredients. So this means combining the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt in a large bowl. Whisk these together. Next, you'll work on the wet ingredients. In a new bowl, add the milk, granulated sugar, applesauce, vanilla extract, and then canola oil. Finally, you'll crack the egg and add that to the mix. Once this is done, you want to combine the wet and dry ingredients and then fold them until it creates a nice blend. Next, it's time to add the fruit to the mix. For this buckle, we use blackberries. You add the mix to the pan, sprinkle some almonds over the top, and then add it to the oven. The buckle takes about 55 minutes to bake, so that would be a good time to clean up and relax. Once it's done, make sure it's golden brown and test it with a toothpick. If it passes the test, you're ready to serve it and enjoy it. Thanks, Mom.